Welcome to the ALGO-CRM feature playlist. In this video, we will see template configuration in support and contract. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now we are on the dashboard of ALGO-CRM. Now, from the left menu panel, go to Administration, then click on Configuration. After that, select Template Configuration. Here, you will see options like Quotation Config, Support Config, and Contract Config. First I will select Contract Config. Here, you will see the Contract Template Configuration screen, where you can manage contract print variables section-wise. The configuration is divided into columns such as key, section, label, and default value which you can customize according to your requirements. In the key section, you can manage the details that appear in the contract header. Here, you can configure fields such as company name, company address, and many other related fields. All these fields belong to the header section. Below this, you will also find separate sections for the body and footer, where you can configure their respective details as needed. Similarly, in the body section, you can configure product-related fields such as product, description, item alias, and many other required fields based on your business needs. In the footer section, you can manage important closing details like terms and conditions, which appear at the bottom of the contract. These sections allow you to fully customize the contract format according to your organizational requirements. By default, standard labels are already provided, such as company name, company address, and other predefined field names. After that, in the default value section, you can enter or update values such as company name, company address, which belong to the header. If you want to make changes in the footer section, you can update details like terms and conditions. All these changes will be reflected in the final printed contract according to your configuration. After that, when you scroll further down, you will find the Custom Fields key section. In this section, custom fields are already pre-added, so you cannot add them explicitly here. They will appear by default. Similar to field configuration, where maximum of 10 fields can be added, the same set of fields is pre-available in this section. Here, the data entry, label, and field type options will remain disabled, as they can be managed through field configuration. In this section, only the print option is enabled. This section allows you to choose which fields should appear in the printed contract. You can manage this easily by selecting the required checkboxes. Next, below this section, you will find the logo settings. There are validations as well. You cannot upload an image larger than the allowed size. Only PNG format is accepted, and the maximum file size is 500 KB. Once all the changes are done, click on Submit to save your updated settings. And if you don't want to save the changes, you can simply click on Cancel. Let's understand this with an example. In the default value section, I am not making any changes to the company name and company address. Next, in the footer section. In this section, you can set your terms and conditions according to your requirements. By default, some terms and conditions are already provided, but you can edit or replace them as needed. After that, when I scroll down to the custom field section, I enable the print option for column 1 and 2. After that, you can also upload the signature image and footer image as per your requirement. Make sure the images are in PNG format, and the maximum allowed size is 500 KB. Here, I am uploading the signature image and the footer image from my system. After completing all the modifications in the footer section, proceed to click Submit so your updated settings are saved and reflected in the template. The same process can be applied for support configuration as well. To view this, go to left menu panel, go to Administration, then click on Configuration. After that, select Template Configuration and finally select Support Config. Here, everything is the same as in the contract config, such as key, labels, sections, header, body, and footer. After that, when you scroll down, you will find the Custom Fields section, which is exactly similar to the contract config, where custom fields can be configured with the help of field configuration. Just like in the contract config, here also only the print option is enabled. After that, if you scroll down, you will find the logo settings option, which is exactly the same. Here as well, you can upload the logo and view in your print template. Now let's understand this with an example of how the print will look. From the left menu panel, go to Documents, then click on Contracts. After that, click on the Add New button. Now, I will proceed to fill in the mandatory fields. In the Contact Person field, I will select Akhil Gupta from the drop-down. In the Contract Type field, I will select MC from the drop-down. In the Duration, in Months field, I will enter 2 months, and in the Contract Amount field, I will enter 1000. After that, I will scroll down and select Busy Accounting Software from the Product drop-down. Once all the required fields are filled, I will click on Submit and Print. As soon as click, it prompts me to select a template. From the available options, Contract Template 1, 2, and 3, I will select Contract Template 1. As soon as the prompt is submitted, the print template is displayed. All the changes you configured are visible in the print preview, such as the added custom fields, footer images, or logo. If you also want to print the contract, you can simply click on Print Contract. And similarly, we will check this in support as well. For this, we will go to the left menu panel, navigate to Workflows, and then click on Support Tickets. After that, we will click on the Add New button, where we will fill in the mandatory fields. For example, here I am selecting Akhil Gupta as the contact person, and in the ticket description, I will enter facing issue with software installation, getting an error during setup. After that, I will click on Submit and Print. All the changes that you have configured will be displayed here. And if you want to print it, you can simply click on Print Support Ticket. Now we have seen how easily you can design and customize your contract and support template according to your preferences. By adjusting the header, body, and footer settings, selecting fields, adding custom options, and previewing the layout, you can completely structure the template the way you want. This gives you full control to create a clean, professional, and personalized quotation that fits your business needs. Thank you.